and I'm a student here at JTech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to test the headlight and brake light circuits on this 2004 Nissan Maxima. Here's the headlights working. And the rear lights working. Voltage of the battery, so I'm going to take the red lead, hook it to the positive side, and then the black lead and hook it to the negative. And the source voltage is 12.3. The wiring harness has power going to it, so I'll hook the alligator clamp up to the test light, and you'll see that it's illuminated, which means that there is power going to it. So you're going to start up here, which is hot at all times, and then you're going to follow it down to the power distribution module, and then into the relay, which you follow down to the bulb, and you're going to come back down to the black wire that's going to lead to the ground. So now we need to inspect the bulb and make sure there's no cracks, corrosion, or any fingerprints on it. The bulb looks like it's in great shape, so we need to check the continuity of it. We're going to hook the leads up on this side and on that side, and we're going to get a reading of about 4 ohms. Relay for this car, and that's what it looks like. And then the one right beside it to the left is going to be the low beam. So now with the relay out, I'm going to test the relay winding on 85 and 86. I'm going to put these right here. And it's about 69 ohms. To check the continuity of 87 and 30, I'm going to hook all these up. And then it's reading right about 1 ohm. Which means it's good. I'm going to check to make sure that the relay is energized by taking this and then hooking it to the battery. You should be able to hear a click. Done checking the relay and testing it to make sure it works. You just put it right back in. I'm going to check the fuses to make sure that they're working with the test light. And it's going to be fuse numbers 1 and 4. I'm going to take this. If I can get it on there. Alright, so that one's working. And you're going to come up here to number 4. And that one is also working. Okay, so now that we have checked the bulb for any damage and we've also checked the continuity of it, we're going to reinstall it into the harness. So you're just going to take it, push it in, and then you're going to reinstall it, install it into the back of the headlight. Mechanics for the rear brake light with the pedal, not the switch. So we're going to start up here at the hot. It's going to come down through the relay. It's going to lead all the way down here and then come back around and go straight down to the ground. Source voltage at the brake connector with a test light to show that it has power running to it. Can you hit the brake pedal? Can you hit the brake pedal? Thank you. Look, what do you know? The light lit up. The source voltage of the connector harness. So with our digital multimeter, so we're going to put the black lead up to a good known ground, and our source voltage is currently reading just about 10.9. Okay, so now we're going to check the continuity of the brake pedal switch, and the positive lead is already hooked up, so we're going to take this. So we're going to take this probe and we're going to stick it up here onto the frame, and we're going to have a reading of around 3 ohms. So then you'll see if we press the brake pedal in, we'll get a reading of overload, and then take it off, and it'll go right back to around 3 ohms. Okay, so now after checking the bulb and checking the continuity of it, we're going to put it back into the connector. You're going to shove that in there, and you're going to replace it back into the housing.